Breaking news: a devastating train accident on Mexico's Estamos of Tehuantepec Railway. Authorities have confirmed at least 13 people have been killed and 98 others injured following the crash. Occurred along the Salina Cruz, Coatzacoalcos routes, part of Line Z of the Interoceanic Corridor, a key rail link connecting Mexico's Pacific and Gulf Coast. The train was carrying approximately 250 passengers at the time of the incident. According to the Mexican Navy Secretariat, 36 injured passengers remain hospitalized, while others suffered minor injuries. Officials say 139 passengers are now out of danger. Emergency response efforts were immediately launched with 360 naval personnel deployed, supported by ambulances, emergency vehicles, and drone surveillance to assist in search and rescue operations and secure the area. The Mexican Navy has expressed its deep condolences to the families of those who lost their lives and pledged to conduct its response with full transparency and respect for the law. President Claudia Sheinbaum Pardo has ordered senior government officials to oversee emergency operations and ensure continued medical care, assistance, and support for victims and their families. Authorities say a full investigation is now underway to determine the cause of the crash as rescue and recovery efforts continue. This is GSM International News reporting. As always, please stay safe.